Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez. Today I have a quick thrift store haul for you. Most of these items were purchased from Goodwill on a day where they had a sale, so they were about 50% off. One of the items is from a local charity shop that we have here in town. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can watch all of my other home decor hauls. I am going to leave a link in the description box down below and also in the eye in the sky for my other thrift store hauls. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because when I find just one or two items, I do like to show them to you over there. I'm going to leave that in the description box below as well. Let's get started. From the charity shop, I did get this set of napkin rings. These were only $1, and I love that they're like the blue and white, and then they have some gold in there. I think they are perfect. Let me get one out for you. And these are wood, and they're hand painted. They even kind of smell like paint, but they're beautiful. I love them. For $1, I could not leave them behind. And my favorite item from Goodwill is what I'm going to show you first, but just to remind you that you need to go look at the little baggies that Goodwill does, and it's usually like items for one price, because I found the most adorable item. It made my heart sing. But it was these Christmas trees, and they're glass, and they're really heavy. It was $5.99, but it came with 4 of them. This is the largest one. Ooh, sorry, I have them on the side because I do not want them to break. This is the second tallest. Sorry, my camera is over on this side for me to see, kind of just to make sure everything is in focus. This one is very dirty, so it doesn't shine as much, but still, I'm gonna clean this up. And it has just that little like green like fuzzy dot, so that it doesn't ruin whatever you put it on. And then this is the second to last height. This one is probably the height of my hand. I have a small hand, so don't use that as measurement. And then the smallest one, which is just so adorable. This one is pretty dirty as well, but it's beautiful. And all 4 of those were $5.99 for the set. That's about $2 per tree, and they're glass. They're really heavy. They're beautiful. They're perfect for my theme this year, and I know I'm gonna put them out every year because that's just how adorable they are. Let me set them down because I don't want them to break. These are the little baggies that they come in, so make sure that you keep an eye out for stuff in these bags. I always find good stuff. And then also for Christmas, I got this book, Fairy Tales by Hans Christian Andersen. Don't know a lot about that, but I just loved the color. I got this for $1 because they had all the green tag items for $1. So I love it. This is just decor, but also look at the color of these pages. They are nice, like vintagey yellow. So this is just gonna be decor. I just want it for the red because red is one of my accent colors. Then lately, every time I go to Goodwill, this is what I'm looking for. Some of these like paper plate holder baskets. This is 99 cents, and it comes with 4. I did buy a second set of 4, and that one as well was 99 cents. Always pay attention though, because they had one of these for $1.99, but then they had this 4-pack for 99 cents. So always pay attention. These I am going to use for a DIY that I've had in mind for a long time, so I can't wait to show you that. And I know this is very fall, but it was 50% off. It's these little apples, and they're more orangey yellow than red. so they're gonna be perfect for fall next year. I did get some of the Dollar Tree little baggies of apples. Those were more red and yellow, but mixed in with these, I feel like they're gonna be perfect for fall next year. And again, it was like $150 for this big set of little apples. And I hardly ever buy any clothes or blankets or anything like that at the Goodwill, but I could not leave this. I got this blanket scarf, and I just love the color of it. It's like this like taupe with black, and it was only $149, so I really couldn't leave it behind. And this still has like all the creases of where it's new, and it doesn't smell like a thrift store. It still smells like packaging, like you know what new stuff smells like at the store. It doesn't have the tag on it like the original tag, so I have no clue what brand this is. It doesn't even have one of those little tags, but it's perfect. I feel that it's like the ones that they have at Target for $7. So this color is perfect. I'm gonna wash it, and I will most definitely be using this because it is light enough. Look like you can kind of maybe not see through it, so that's perfect for the type of winter that we have here in southern Arizona. So I'm really excited to use this. Maybe it'll make me get more clothing items, or at least go check out the scarves. And the only reason I found this is because I was looking for scarves for a project that I've been wanting to do since like last year, but my Dollar Tree doesn't carry the really nice flannel scarves. I do have a friend that's sending me one, and I haven't gone to check the mail. I should go because maybe it's already here. I don't know if she got me the black and the red and black one or the white and black. Either way, I'm super excited to use it. But that's how I came across this, and it was only $1.49, so I couldn't leave it behind. I did get 2 other books, but I can't find them. And again, they're just more like hardcover books that are meant for decor. It wasn't the Reader's Digest ones. They were just standard ones that my son says that they look like Bibles because they have that type of like leather bounding. But that's it for my thrift store haul. I wanted to do a short one because it did have Christmas stuff, and I don't know if I'm gonna find any more Christmas stuff at my thrift store, so I wanted to just show you what I had. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my Christmas DIYs and my playlist of other thrift store hauls. Also, don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram because I do a lot of DIYs over there. And again, if I just find one small item at the thrift store, sometimes I will show it to you over there. So make sure to be following me on both platforms. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.